Hey guys, JB here, and I just got the latest video game, Egyptmanji, and I can't wait to play it. It's taking forever for it to download on my system, though. I'm just waiting. It takes all day long. I don't know why it takes so long. Why can't I just put a disc in and play? It's so aggravating. You got to download it, then you got to wait for it to update because it always updates the very first day. I don't know why they got to do that. Why can't they just put the game on the disc and I play it? It's aggravating. So I'm just waiting. Oh, look, it's ready. I'm getting ready to jump in, guys. I'll share my screen so you guys can follow along as I play. And you guys can see this cool new game, Egyptmanji. All right. I'll see you in a few minutes. Good day, adventurer. Welcome to Egyptmanji. You have traveled back to ancient Egypt and must make your way through the three kingdoms as you travel up the world's longest river, the Nile. It is a grueling 4,000-mile journey moving north from Upper Egypt to Lower Egypt, where you will reach the Nile Delta that splits into channels before entering into the Mediterranean Sea. The trip will be treacherous as the Nile floods its banks, leaving Kamet on the dry desert land. You will be met with many friendly Egyptians who will share their surplus of food in exchange for transporting goods and messages up the river. Not all you meet will be friendly, however. Beware of the pharaohs as you move through the dynasties. Some of them will be friendly, and others will not be. Your biggest struggle will be trying to please the gods. Egypt has hundreds of them, ranging from Hapi, the god of the Nile, Amon-Re, king of the gods, Isis, goddess of healing and motherhood, and Osiris, god of the afterworld. These gods, both male and female, will give you tasks to complete to earn their favor for help along the way. Now that you know all about Egyptmanji, you're ready to begin your adventure. Press X when you are ready to begin. Good day, adventurer. Oh man, all that for that long cutscene? Guess I gotta jump in now. I'm ready for level 1. You guys can watch as I play. So let's see what happens.